In this video, we are going to see how to open a stuck fuel door on a Mercedes SL. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome! Here is a 2005 Mercedes SL with a fuel door that won't open. As you can see, the car is unlocked. Look, I can open the door. But the fuel door is locked. First, we're going to see how this system works, and then we will open the fuel door. This is the ejector end placement, right there. And this is the ejector itself. Its role is to open or close the fuel door. I didn't say to lock or unlock, but to open or close. And it goes right there, when the fuel door is closed. Like this. And that ejector is connected to the actuator that you see on the left. The actuator is the locking mechanism. As you can see, there's a metal pin. When you lock the car using a key fob, the pin moves forward like this and then goes in the ejector right there and then in this hole when the fuel door is closed. And so that locks the fuel door. To unlock the fuel door, all we have to do is to manually pull the pin backward like this. Be aware that this is not a permanent fix. If your fuel door is stuck in locked position, it means that you've got a problem. The locking mechanism is a pneumatic system, and you can have a leak in the actuator or along the yellow hose that goes to the central vacuum pump. This video is just there to show you how to manually open the fuel door, not to fix the stuck locking mechanism. Open the trunk. On the right side there is a carpet. We'll have to lift that carpet to access to the fuel door locking mechanism. To do so, we will start by removing that plastic screw with a pin in it. You can use a fork as a tool to remove the pin. So you pull the pin off. It's a little hard. You've got to pull hard. And you remove the pin. Then you can remove the plastic screw. Here is the plastic screw. Now you can lift the carpet. Progress slowly from the front of the car to the rear. Once the carpet is released, fold it and move it to the left. Here we are. Now we can see a black foam right there. Behind this foam is the fuel door locking mechanism. So we remove this black foam. As you can see, there is no glue to hold it. It's just a foam to protect the locking mechanism. And this is the fuel door locking mechanism. To unlock the fuel door, all you have to do is to pull the pin backward like this. And now you can open your fuel door to fill your tank. Thanks guys for watching.